Welcome back to my channel. Today I got 3 sets of images, as you can see here, and I want to incorporate all 3 into one image using masks and IP adapter. So let's get this started. I'm going to use Face ID. That's that one there. We're going to need a load checkpoint. I'll put that there, and I'm going to use Juggernaut Reborn. I'm going to use LoRa load model only. Put that there. Model goes to there. Model goes to there. And here I'm going to use IPAdapter plus version 2 SD15. SD Upscale does not work too well for me. I'm going to use Clip Vision Loader. Put that here. Join this to this. I'm going to use Insight Face. Put that here. Join this to this, and that's going to be CUDA. I'm going to need IPAdapter model loader. So that goes there. I'm going to move these down so they're evenly spaced, and join this to this, and change this to this one because that matches the LoRa. I'm going to change it up a bit. I'm going to use anything everywhere. I have 3 of these here. I'm going to rename this to IPAdapter. I'm going to rename this one to Clip Vision, and we're going to rename this one to Insight Face. So these are connected at the moment with noodles. I'm going to use this to go there, that to go there, that to go there, and get rid of these, and as you can see it joins automatically. Same with this one, same with this one. So now they're all joined. Load image batch. I'm going to join this to this. I'm going to do a preview image. I'm going to put that here. I'm going to join this to this so we know what we're loading, and then I'm going to load image as mask. Put that here, and then join this to this. I'm going to change this to mask, which I got here left. Then copy these, Control C. Let's have them all aligned. Okay, so this mask needs to be a middle, and this mask needs to be a right. Wrong right. This mask needs to be right. So on these images, the mask, you got a PNG with the transparent area. The rest is black. So we want this image to be placed here. Over here, the middle is transparent, so we'll want this image placed there. Over here, we've got the right hand side transparent, so this image should go there. Doesn't always work that way though. Model from here to there, and there to there. Okay, so now we're going to use the images. H images Taylor Swift, H images Margot Robbie, and H images Jenna Ortega. So I'm going to run this, and we should see a preview. Okay, there you go. So we've got 4 images for Taylor, 4 for Margot, 3 for Jenna. And next we need ComfyRoll apply LoRa stack. Which is going to go here. The model is going to join to this. ComfyRoll LoRa stack here. So we're going to join this to this. I'm going to turn the first one on, and I'm going to use a skin tone slider version 1 and change this to 2, change this to 2. That's the only LoRa we're going to use on this, and I'm going to get this from over here to here and call this model, and join this to this model here, because we want everything that connects to the model to go through all these steps before it gets the parameters. I'm going to do a seed everywhere. That's going to go here. Randomized, that's fine. I'm going to use my own prompt selector, which I'm going to put here, and prompt everywhere, which goes here. You can't use anything everywhere for positive or negative. Reason being, it tries to send conditioning instead. We're going to do a load VAE, which is going to go here. I'm going to copy this. Sorry, wrong one. I'm going to copy this and put it over here. Join this to this. Change this to VAE. And we're going to get a K sampler. As you can see, all three are connected apart from empty latent. We're going to do empty latent image. Even though it's only the once we're going to use it, you might as well use anything everywhere. Title empty latent. I'm going to join this to this. My masks are 768 wide by 512 tall, so we're going to change this to 768. That should have the latent connected to this. Yep. VAE decode. I'm going to join this to this and a preview image. I'm going to run this, and in the prompts I'm going to add a negative, which is not safe for work, blurry, and always I like to put skinny. That's my preference. In triple brackets, free women, comma at the beginning too, standing outside white top, black coat, and we're going to run this. We missed a clip. Okay, so I need one of these. I'm going to put this over here, rename this, clip, and join the clip from this to this, and that also connects it to the prompt. And over here I should go through this. It's running there, and there we have Taylor, Margot and Jenna. I'm going to change the settings on this to 50 and this to 10. I'm going to run it once more. There you go. Now to improve this, I'm going to move this over here and this there. I'm going to copy this here, copy this again over here, and join the latent to this, latent to this. I'm going to change this to 8, change that to 0.7, and this one I'm going to change that to 8 as well, and 0.65. I'm going to join this to this, I'm going to run it again. That looks a lot better. So SD Upscale, I'm going to put that here. I'm going to join this to this, and I'm going to use over here upscale model, load upscale model over here. I'm going to join this to this, and I'm going to use right at the bottom real ESR GAN 4.0. So that should set that up. We can keep these settings the same, and we're going to need another K sampler over here. Going to need VAE encode, join this to this, this one to this. Going to copy this, join this to this, and the preview image is going to go there. Now here I'm going to change the CFG to 5 and denoise to 0.2 because upscale is going to mess it up. Going to run it again. Okay, so this is the image and this looks pretty good. Now let's look at what upscale does compared to what K-sampler does and see why you need a K-sampler after the upscale. Image compare. I'll put that here. So upscale to A and K-sampler to B. Always does that when it's zoomed out. K-sampler to B, upscale to A. So I'm going to run this again. Okay, so this is the image from upscale. Everyone looks like Margot. So the K-sampler afterwards changes it. Big difference. That's why you need a K-sampler after the upscale. Now, if you wanted another one, another person, just select this lot and paste it here. So if you hold Control, you can select all this, then hold down Shift and drag it to anywhere you like. So now we've got this. We want to join this to this, and this one to this. Now we've got 4 people. I don't know. I don't have any other images here, but you could do as many as you like. Obviously, you need to change the masks. I've got a 6-person mask set up here. I might upload that to my GitHub. With these images, if you get more than one for the left side, right side, center, basically different angles of the face, then you're more likely to get better results than just simple straight faces. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and as always, links are in the description for these nodes. Thanks for watching.